Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to turn on the NFC connection on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. So let's tap settings. So the car icon in this case is of course GLB. The setting starts with the assistance tab, but you can change it to the system by using this upper tab. And here you've got the left menu to navigate. Select here Internet and Bluetooth. From Internet and Bluetooth you can scroll down and enable the NFC. As you can see, it's as simple as that. Let's just use this toggle to enable or disable the NFC. And NFC in Mercedes is used, for example, for instant pairing. It allows you to connect your smartphone to the MBUX system via Bluetooth instantly without searching for the device manually in settings. It can be also used for digital vehicle key. In some models, it allows your smartphone to act as a car key to unlock the door. You can also use it for user profile recognition. It automatically loads your personal driver profiles, seat position, ambient light, colors, favorites, etc. by using the NFC sensors. So it could be really useful. Let's enable this feature if you would like to. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.